Hello students, I am back here to teach you computer, class 4, lesson 1, computer, a storage and memory device. Dear children, we have already completed the lesson in session 1 and session 2. Now, I am going to explain the questions given on page number 12, lesson 1 of your textbook. So, the first question is, write a short note on how a data is stored in a computer. Answer: the data is stored in the computer in the form of bits and is measured in bytes. Whenever we feed the data into the computer, it gets converted into machine understandable code called machine code. The data is then stored in the computer according to the memory capacity. The next question is, differentiate between internal and external memory. Internal memory. Internal memory is also called primary memory. The data stored is erased once the computer is turned off. It is easier to access data or programs from internal memory. There are two types of internal memory, RAM and ROM. External memory. External memory is also called as secondary memory. Data is not lost even when the computer is turned off. It takes more time to access data from the secondary memory. There are four types of external memory: hard disk, CD/DVD, flash pen drive, memory card. Next question. Question number 3. Write down the features of ROM. Answer: once the data has been written on a ROM chip, it cannot be removed and can only be read. ROM, that is read-only memory, retains its contents even when the computer is turned off. It is a non-volatile memory. Question number 4. Why RAM is compared with a blackboard or calculator? Answer: RAM is compared with a blackboard or calculator because it works likewise. RAM stores the information temporarily and can be constantly overwritten with new data as we erase and rewrite on the blackboard. As the information is lost when we turn off the computer, likewise the moment we turn off the calculator, the information disappears. Question number 5. What is multimedia card? Answer: a multimedia card is a tiny memory card to make storage portable among various devices. It is approximately the size of postage stamp. It is used in various devices, for example, digital camera, smartphones, PC, etc. Question number 6. Explain briefly about flash drive. Answer: a flash drive is also known as pen drive. It is the most popular data backup device. Flash drive are connected to the computer and other devices via USB, that is, Universal Serial Bus Port. It is small, lightweight and removable drive. It is used for copying and moving data from one computer to another. Dear student, let us go through some extra questions related to the chapter. Write the full form of the following. RAM, Random Access Memory. ROM, Read Only Memory. DVD, Digital Versatile Disc or Digital Video Disc. USB, Universal Serial Bus. CD, Compact Disc. CPU, Central Processing Unit. Next question. Write the storage capacity of the following storage devices. Hard disk. It can store up to 8 TB of data. CD. It can store up to 700 MB of data. DVD. The storage capacity varies from 4.7 GB to 17 GB. Blu-ray disc. It can store up to 128 GB of data. Flash drive. It can store up to 2 TB of data. Multimedia card. It has various storage capacity ranging up to 512 GB. Dear children, revise the lesson again and write the answers of the questions in your computer copy that I explained today. Also do the objective questions at the end of the chapter. That is, do fill in the blanks, true, false, multiple choice question and match the following as homework. Thank you.